The 2026 Honda Shine 125R is the commuter game-changer you can't ignore. Imagine a bike that blends legendary reliability, insane fuel efficiency, modern tech, and everyday practicality, all in one package. Honda's 2026 Shine 125R claims to do just that, and in this video, we break down every detail you need before deciding if this is your next ride. Welcome to Auto Vibe. Welcome back to Auto Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest, most exciting two-wheeler news and reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Honda Shine 125R, from its engine, tech, mileage, design, comfort, to how it stacks up in the commuter segment. Heritage meets modern upgrades. The Shine is one of Honda's most trusted commuter bikes, known for its dependable engine and rider-friendly nature. For 2026, Honda hasn't just refreshed it, they've reimagined it. The Shine 125R now boasts a refined engine, richer features, and improved ride dynamics, making it more competitive than ever in the 125 cubic centimeters class. Hindi News 90. Engine and performance, more gears, more smoothness. Under the tank, the 2026 Shine 125R packs a 124.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine mated to a brand-new 6-speed gearbox, a first for the Shine series. This change brings smoother gear shifts, better acceleration and cruising efficiency, especially on highways. The bike generates around 10.7 horsepower of power and 11 Nm of torque, giving it enough punch for daily commuting and occasional longer rides. Hindi News 90. Mileage that might surprise you. One of the biggest talking points is efficiency. With Honda's ESP, Enhanced Smart Power, tech, the Shine claims an astonishing 90 km per liter under ideal conditions, making it one of the most economical commuter bikes available in its class. This translates to fewer fuel stops and more savings every month. Design and styling, practical yet stylish. While retaining its classic commuter stance, the 2026 Shine 125R gets sleeker body graphics, a sculpted fuel tank, and modern LED lighting elements that add visual appeal. The overall design keeps daily usability at the forefront while appealing to younger riders looking for subtle style. AFPT. Comfort and ergonomics, built for everyday use. Honda has tuned the Shine for comfort. It features an upright riding position, a long and supportive seat, wider foot pegs, and suspension calibrated for Indian roads. Whether it's daily city traffic or weekend rides, the bike aims to keep rider fatigue to a minimum. AFPT. Tech and features, smart yet simple. Inside the cockpit, riders get a digital analog instrument cluster showing gear position, mileage figures, and eco-indicators. The bike also includes practical features like a silent ACG start system and combined braking system, CBS, for balanced stopping power. Hindi News 90. Price and segment value. Honda is expected to price the Shine 125R competitively in the 84,000 to 90,000 Indian rupees range, ex-showroom, making it a strong contender for commuters who want low cost of ownership, reliability, and feature upgrades without paying a premium. Hindi News 90. Final thoughts, is it worth it? The 2026 Honda Shine 125R brings an impressive blend of fuel efficiency, refined performance, comfort, and practical features. It's a bike that doesn't just commute, it elevates your daily ride. Whether you're a student, working professional, or daily commuter, this could be one of the smartest choices in the 125 cubic centimeters segment.